This is how to paint your calipers. Just did that one. That's the back one. Smaller, so you can't really see it much. The one in the front, you can. That one you see pretty good. Side view. Alright, and this is how you do it, basically. Obviously, take the tire off, using it to sit on it. Now, this is a 09 old caliper too, so you're gonna have rust. This is what I gotta do. Take as much as rust off as I can. I got this thing too. This helps a lot. This is used for like patching walls and stuff. You can get that at Lowe's or Walmart. Alright, so this is what you need. You get all this. You get the caliper cleaner, caliper paint, and this little brush. I put it inside the napkin, a little wet so it doesn't dry and stiffen on me. That's what the box looks like. Dupli-COLOR. You can get this AutoZone, Pep Boys. I don't think you can get it at Walmart or even gives you the steps. Look at that. So once you get the box, just flip it over if you've never done this before. One thing I also did was I undercoated the truck, and what I'm doing now, while I'm painting the calipers, I'm actually taking this opportunity to get the spaces that I couldn't get when the wheels were on. But you can't tell here good because the truck is dirty. But I painted all of that and under the truck as well. But I'm gonna hit this same thing here. Get all this paint off as best as you can. Really get it all off, and I'm just gonna spray it down. It's actually one of the best undercoats you can use. This is what body shops usually use. If they use the spray cans. I'm gonna hit all of that over there. Always shake. Now I did put the phone down. I couldn't hit some of the angles while holding the phone and spraying. But make sure you get all of that. I sprayed undercoat up to here. The rest of it I'm going to do caliper paint. You don't see back here anyways. So I'm going to just check it one more time. Make sure I didn't hit any angles. Now it does say to wait 20 minutes. 15-20 minutes in between coats, but like caliper like mine, it's big enough to where when you're, by the time you come to the bottom, you can actually just go right to the top and go. Another thing is, make sure, since you're doing it with a brush, make sure it doesn't run. And obviously it'll run when you do it with a can too, but you're more likely to put thicker coats. So just make sure it doesn't run. Always check. Go back and check it always. There's the final coat. Nice and shiny. If you notice, I used the box here. I would recommend putting something there because I'm doing mine in the driveway. Right here, see, look at that. Now I gotta get this off. You gotta get it while it's fresh, because once it dries, it's stuck there. But you will drip. Doesn't matter how good you are. Another tip: if you have some time, do it the way the box says. Take all the 4 tires off, because some things I did better on these other calipers than on the first one, and that's a pain in the ass to take it off. I'm gonna leave it as it is. The best thing to do is take all 4 tires off. And another thing is, I'm gonna let mine dry at least 5 minutes and then put the tire back on. Tip: if you don't have a garage, like, the truck tire is super heavy, so you're gonna, if you're not careful, you're gonna hit this paint. If it's still fresh, you're gonna smudge it off. So what I do is sit on the floor and use my knees to help me lift with the hands and adjust it and put it back on. So good luck. If you have any questions, just ask in the comments and I'll answer as best as I can.